Welcome to our YouTube tutorial on how to see all the groups you have joined on Facebook. If you want to easily access and manage the various groups you are a part of on the social media platform, follow these simple steps on your Android device. Step 1. Open the Facebook app on your Android device. Step 2. Tap on the three horizontal lines located at the top right corner of the screen. This will open a menu with a list of options. Step 3. Scroll down and tap on Groups from the menu. This will bring up a list of all the groups you are currently a member of. Step 4. Tap on your groups at the top of the screen. This will filter the groups so that you can see only the ones you have joined. By following these easy steps, you can quickly and easily see all the groups you have joined on Facebook. This will allow you to stay updated on group discussions, events, and notifications, making it easier to manage your group memberships. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.